Hello everyone, my name is Dhanya. Today I'm going to discuss about Kruskal's algorithm. So let me give you a brief introduction about this algorithm. Kruskal's algorithm is used to find a minimum spanning tree from a given graph. So first of all, we have to learn what is a spanning tree and what is a minimum spanning tree. So spanning tree is a subgraph of a given connected and weighted graph which should contain all the vertices of the given graph as well as it should be a tree. So in a weighted graph, a minimum spanning tree is a spanning tree which has minimum weight than all the other spanning trees. So let's look at this now. Here, as you can see, this is a graph A and these are the number of spanning trees that can be created from this graph A. So a graph can have many spanning trees. Now we'll take an example of a graph and perform Kruskal's algorithm on it. So consider this graph. In this graph, we'll perform Kruskal's algorithm to find the minimum spanning tree using this graph. So in this graph, this is a vertex of the graph, this is the edge of the graph, and these numbers are the weights of each of the edges of the graph. So let's start with the algorithm. First step is to create the edge table. To create an edge table, we should select all the edges of the graph one by one and create a table of it with its increasing number of weights. So here I have created the edge table with 2 rows, edges and weight with increasing number of weight. We have selected all the edges with the increasing number of weights and written here. So continuing on. So step 2 is to find a minimum spanning tree. To find the minimum spanning tree, we'll keep on selecting the edges one by one by traversing through the edge table. If it does not form a loop or a cycle, which is not allowed in making of a tree, it is allowed in graph but not in a tree. So let us perform it. Here the first edge is edge G, so we'll select this edge. Now next is GF, we'll select it. Next is CI, we'll select it. Next is AB, we'll select it. Then CF, we'll select it. IG, here in this case we can see that if we select this edge IG, it will make a loop like this, so we'll not select this edge, so we'll discard this edge IG and move on. Continuing on, next is CD, we'll select it. Then IH, in this case also it will form a loop like this, so we'll discard this edge IH. Then BC, we'll select it. AH, here also if we select this edge, it will form a loop like this, so we'll discard this edge AH. Continuing on, DE, we'll select it. Then EF, in this case also it will form a loop like this, so we'll discard this edge EF. Then BH, in this case also it will form a loop like this, so we'll discard this edge BH. Then DF, here also it will form a loop like this, so we'll discard this edge DF. So we have come to the end of the edge table. So we have traversed through the edge table one by one from the beginning to the end. So now I have highlighted the selected edges with red color and the unselected edges are with green color. So we'll redraw the graph using only the selected edges and discard the unselected edges. So it will give us a minimum spanning tree like this, and this is our minimum spanning tree from the given graph, and the minimum cost is 37, which can be calculated by adding all the weights of the edges. Hence, we have learned how to perform Kruskal's algorithm to find the minimum weighted spanning tree. Thank you.